Hi boys and girls. Today we're working on lesson 9.3 in your math packet, and you'll be using your tiles that were sent home in a little bag, your little colored tiles like mine here on the table, and we're going to be measuring some real objects. Now, if you don't have all the objects on the page at your house, it's okay to substitute and just have your parent write in, or you can write in what you actually used. So I wanted to give some examples of how to measure with a tile. So I found a few things from around my house. So let's start with a pencil. So now remember, as we talked about when we are drawing our lines to compare lengths, you always want to start matching at the end when you go to measure. So I will use my yellow tiles here, and I have to match up to the end of my pencil here, and I want to line them up and keep them close together. And if I move my pencil a little bit, I want to reline that up. And then I look at what is it closest to. And if I look from one end to the other, this pencil is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles long. Let's try measuring another object. Let's measure my marker now. So we're going to use these red tiles here. Again, we line up end to end. And I can tell I wouldn't be able to fit another tile there. There'd be more tile than markers, so I want to go to what is it closest to, end to end, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles long. Let's try my little stapler here. Let's use the blue tiles this time. And we're going to start at the end, lining them up. And I want to check again. I wouldn't want to put another one because I came pretty close to the end here. So it is about 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles long. Let's measure my scissors next. I have a big pair of scissors here. We'll just use a combination of tiles. I want to start on the longer end, so I'm going to do my best to line them up beside my pair of scissors. And this one I can tell I could fit one more here. So let's count. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tiles long. When we're measuring, it's very important to say what we measured with. Since we are measuring with tiles, you would say how many tiles long something is. Let's do another object. Let's go ahead and do my glue stick here. Measuring our tiles along that, end to end. And I wouldn't be able to fit another one here. I can tell this is 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 tiles long. Let's do one big object. Let's go ahead and measure along the side of this math book. I could measure it the length, actually this would be the height, or the width. I'm just going to do the longest side here. So again, I want to start on the very end. I'll use a combination of my tiles here. And I keep going to the other end. And you can have fun with this, boys and girls. You can find many objects, not just the suggested ones. You can find some of your own. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tiles long. I hope you have fun measuring with your tiles on lesson 9.3.